Festool is back with a powerful autumn lineup, bringing exactly the tools many of you have been waiting for. From carpenters to cabinet makers, these new cordless machines are designed to give you more freedom, power, and precision on every cut, joint, and edge you touch. Let's break down what's here, one tool at a time, so you can see what's worth adding to your setup next. First up, we've got the Festool HLC82, a cordless planer that finally frees you from annoying cables while delivering the same power as a corded unit. It has a planing width of 82 millimeters running on Festool's 5 and 8 amp high-power lithium batteries that really pack a punch. What makes it stand out is its ability to leave a noticeably fine, mark-free surface thanks to a spiral blade set crosswise for a smooth finish. Whether you're chamfering edges or fitting countertops in crooked old buildings, the HLC82 promises a fun, efficient planing experience that makes even tricky installs feel rewarding. Now, edge routing has always been a Festool specialty, and this fall, they're going cordless with 3 new edge routers, the OFKC 500, MFKC 700, and MFKC 700 KA. The OFKC 500 is your go-to for simple rounding and chamfering, featuring a slim, lightweight design that sits comfortably in your hand. It uses specialized cutters mounted directly onto the spindle, ensuring high precision with minimal distance between the cutter and base plate, so the router won't tip during work. If you need versatility, the MFKC 700 is the workhorse, letting you attach tables, guide systems, and fences to tackle solid wood edges up to 15 millimeters, trim laminates, and even cut grooves and rabbets with reliable control. For those working with edge banding, the MFKC 700 KA is designed to handle edge overhangs perfectly, including beveled edges, ensuring a flawless finish. All 3 routers feature brushless ECT motors, giving you quieter operation, higher efficiency, and the power you need for daily edge work. If you're a fan of the DOMINO system, Festool now has 2 new DOMINO joiners, the cordless DFC 500 and its corded sibling, giving you flexibility to choose your workflow. The DOMINO dowel, with its oval shape, continues to deliver the precision of a round dowel and the flexibility of a flat dowel, letting you decide between tight or loose fits by adjusting the hole width on the machine. The big news is that the DFC 500 now works on Festool's 18-volt battery platform, letting you drill up to 270 holes per charge with the 4.0 battery pack. It comes with an ergonomic spade handle for comfort, and the redesigned table now includes lockable pin pairs that make it easier to align frames or panels without measuring or marking repeatedly. From small drawers to large knockdown furniture, the DOMINO system has your joinery covered with accessories like the round stop, strip stop, and cross stop, ensuring you're equipped for nearly any project. Power was another area many of you asked Festool to improve, and they've delivered with the new HKC 55K cordless circular saw. The K here stands for kickback stop, providing sensor-based protection that immediately halts the saw blade if it detects sudden movement, reducing the risk of injury on the job. Thanks to the latest brushless motor tech and enhanced electronics, you can now get maximum performance with the 8.0 high-power battery pack, pairing beautifully with Festool's new thin kerf wood saw blades for excellent cutting performance while preserving battery life. The HKC 55K also pairs seamlessly with the FSK cross-cutting rail, letting you make guided, precise angled cuts with minimal effort. From decking to roof battens, this saw is built to handle your construction site demands safely and efficiently. Festool isn't stopping at tools either. They're now offering free 3D printing files with practical add-ons for your Festool tools and upcycling projects, available directly through their Printables profile. It's a nice touch, giving you the chance to customize and improve your workflow with printable accessories. And Festool encourages you to share your ideas for new models in the comments. Lastly, Festool's Granite Net abrasive is now available in the stock Systainer, fitting diameters of 150 millimeters for the ETSC2, ETSC, or Rotex, and 225 millimeters for the Planex. This net abrasive is designed to keep your sanding dust-free while ensuring consistent results. And Festool reminds you to use the protection pad when working with these to maintain your tools and surfaces. And there you have it, Festool's powerhouse lineup, ready to level up your workflow without the hassle of cords, without losing an ounce of power, and with precision you can feel on every cut and edge. These tools will start rolling out from September 2025, so keep your eyes peeled and your wish list ready.
If you found this breakdown helpful, drop a like, smash that subscribe button, and let us know in the comments which of these Festool tools you're most excited to try first. See you in the next one. Keep building and stay safe out there.